The 2025 Ford Customline 1952 edition in stunning black and deep maroon is a perfect blend of timeless style and modern automotive innovation, making it an irresistible head-turner on any road. This masterpiece revives the iconic 1952 Ford Customline heritage while infusing it with the cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship expected in today's market. From the very first glance, the sleek two-tone finish commands attention, with the deep gloss black body paired with rich maroon accents creating a striking contrast that radiates elegance and power. Every curve and line of the body has been refined to maintain that classic early 50s charm while ensuring aerodynamic efficiency for improved performance. The chrome detailing around the grille, bumpers, and window trims stays faithful to the vintage appeal, yet the modern materials ensure durability and a lasting shine. Under the hood, the 2025 Customline carries a powerful yet efficient V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating driving experience with smooth acceleration, refined torque, and a rumble that speaks to the soul of every car enthusiast. The suspension system has been redesigned to offer a balance of comfort and sportiness, ensuring that whether cruising down a boulevard or carving through winding roads, the ride feels planted and controlled. Inside, the cabin is a true fusion of old-school luxury and futuristic comfort. Premium leather seating in maroon with hand-stitched detailing echoes the exterior theme, while advanced ergonomic design provides ultimate support for long drives. The dashboard retains its retro-inspired layout but integrates a hidden state-of-the-art infotainment system with voice control, wireless connectivity, and a premium surround sound audio setup. Digital gauges blend seamlessly with classic analog dials, offering an immersive driving experience without sacrificing the charm of the original Customline spirit. Climate control is advanced yet intuitive, ensuring comfort in all seasons, and the subtle ambient lighting enhances the interior's inviting atmosphere. Safety has been elevated to modern standards, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and advanced collision avoidance systems seamlessly integrated without distracting from the vintage look. The trunk space is generous, honoring the practicality of the 1952 original, while improved sound insulation makes every journey quiet and serene. The exterior lighting features modern LED technology cleverly styled to mimic the look of classic lamps, giving the perfect mix of nostalgia and performance. Each wheel is a precision-crafted alloy, echoing vintage designs but engineered for modern road conditions, ensuring grip, handling, and long-lasting durability. This car is not just about performance and looks, it's about a connection to history, a statement of individuality, and an experience that makes every drive memorable. Whether parked at a car show, gliding through a scenic route, or simply turning heads in the city, the 2025 Ford Customline 1952 black and maroon model stands as a living icon of automotive artistry, celebrating the golden age of motoring while embracing the future with style, performance, and unmatched craftsmanship.